We took off, bro. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Actually, I don't know what.
Alright, today's a 300ZX type of day, but I just gotta show you guys this. As you know, new exhaust Tommy. By the way, thank you for supporting the last video. Anyways, it's 7 in the morning right now, and I just gotta show you guys how horrible a person I am. Oh, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad.
A few inches later.
Why is this so hot? It's not even funny anymore. Stay. Okay, so as you read in the title, today's gonna be another 300ZX type of day. But we're doing some pretty big things today. By the way, my boy Lucas just pulled up. He's gonna help us do the other thing I'm gonna talk about today, which is gonna be pretty sick, and we're gonna learn how to do it. But shout out to Lucas. A lot of you complain about the front bumper. Obviously, I would complain as well, and I do. The paint is not great. We're actually gonna go to his dad's shop, and we're gonna paint the bumper ourselves, as well as fix this little mistake that I did when I first bought it. Do you know how this happened? I had to put double-sided tape, so it was like hanging. Well, you know how I did this? When I first bought it, the owner parked it, but I didn't know there was one of those parking stop things in the front. Yeah. So I just drove forward, and then I went over it, and then I just broke it. Turnout should be pretty sick because it's gonna be fully white instead of like this yellowish thing and then this weird white. We're actually gonna go ahead, take off the bumper, and go to his dad's shop so we can actually paint it. Do you want to turn on, or you want to stay outside? So
you got it, bro. I want to hear from the outside.
Here, take the camera. Alright, so quick intermission. I realized while editing this video, I didn't announce the winner for the giveaway that I've been talking about for the past 2 weeks. So huge shout out to Joey. I already posted on my Instagram yesterday. Me and Breach Brand actually announced the winner yesterday, but I didn't upload yesterday. Today's Wednesday, so today's current day. So anyways, huge shout out to Joey. Congrats, bro. If you didn't win, don't worry. Many more giveaways are gonna happen in the future. Also, Danny Z20 on Breach Brand Co's website for 20% off for the next 24 hours. So go ahead, the link will be in the description. Take advantage of this promo code and get back to the video. JDM leave. Yes. Right, and to the shop we go. And we made it to the shop. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm pretty excited because I've never done any type of body work. So we're gonna learn together, I guess. Dude, now it's like so windy here.
I know.
Is that like Bondo?
It's like plastic right there.
So first, Lucas' dad actually helped us repair the bumper. I guess it's not fiberglass as I thought, but that doesn't explain why my hand is always itchy after, so that's kind of weird. But he used this, and we're gonna let it dry. And while it's drying, we're gonna go ahead and sand the car. Not the car, well. We're gonna sand the bumper and we're gonna paint it. And if you think we're like at a really cool shop, so we're gonna use professional painting guns and everything, we're actually just gonna rattle can it. It's a fun DIY. Alright, so we've been sanding for a fat, like an hour or so. And you guys remember how bad the bumper looked, right? It looked really, I don't know, bumpy, I guess you could say. Now look how smooth this is. The white stayed, but it like blended in with the bumper. We used 180 grit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we used 180 grit. He used like the little machine, and I sanded by hand. I got a primer, and then we jumped to More sanding, he said. Now, the big question that I want to ask you guys, I don't know if you can see me. There we go. So first I'm gonna ask you. I think I already asked you, but I don't know. Do you think I should wrap the 300 or should I paint the 300 since we're paint shop?
I think you should go for a crazy wrap.
Crazy wrap.
Something crazy.
I'm honestly leaning more towards a wrap, and I'm gonna ask you guys to comment below now. Should I wrap it? Should I paint it? Maybe like a. What do you think about pink? Pink with white wheels.
Pink? Oh.
That was pretty bad.
I'll show you.
Alright, we're gonna look at some colors. Notice it? That type of red is actually pretty clean. They can't really see it on camera. It's like a
maroonish line.
Oh, we can't show them. We can't show them.
Oh.
What color? If I do end up with the 300, it's gonna get a color. Should I wrap it? Should I paint it? And what color should I pick? Leaning more towards a red, like a dark red, but let me know.
Or should we rattle can the whole car?
Like a $200 DIY special. That's how he cools off, so I think I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna step over here and kind of say something that's been on my mind since I got to this shop, or warehouse if you want to say it. I promise you guys this, one day we're gonna have a nice shop just like this with the 300, the 370, or any new project cars that I pick along. Just imagine it. Can't wait.
Some fiberglass filler.
Some fiberglass filler. Just to kind of reinforce it so it's not just like this little strip. And
This is very DIY, very makeshift.
This is as DIY as it gets. Let's put it that way.
Budget build type stuff. It's not as heavy as it looks, but.
Bro, that thing looks big. You look like a little kid on it. One more. There we go. Now we gotta go and buy primer from, where are we going? Home Depot, I think? Yeah. And I don't know if we have to buy paint, but definitely primer. Actually, I think we're gonna go to AutoZone. Alright, so total was $54, so definitely if you have clear. What was that? Do you feel the car moving? So we got the primer, we got 2 cans of primer, that was like 20 bucks. This one and then the other one right here. Clear coat, just one, and we went with generic white. No, it was Oxford white for Ford vehicles.
Yeah, but it'll work.
It'll work. We don't really know the white. My car's like 4 shades of white, so I mean honestly, it's not really gonna matter. It's just to kind of make it. Someone's texting me. Kind of just go with the whole body line instead of being half yellow, half white.
Just so it doesn't look like mustard no more.
True. And the priming started. Are you sure you know what you're doing, bro?
Nope.
Actually turning out pretty good. Trust me. If I was doing this, yeah, I don't. Alright, so we just finished priming everything off. Doesn't look too bad. What do you think, Lucas? 1 through 10.
It's pretty decent. I'll give it like a 8, 9.
8, that's pretty good. Let's go. Now we gotta sand it down and then we go into the white painting. No going back now. This is the first spray. It's not as gray as I thought it was gonna be. What do you think?
Nah, I know. This is the fourth one that we got, right? Yeah, I know this color. Oxford white.
I think it's gonna look much better than it having a, what you said?
Mustard.
Mustard.
Money, baby.
We actually just did the first coat of white. But bro, Lucas is killing it.
What? It's even got a little gloss.
Well, it's still wet, but
Feel
still.
me? That's right.
Damn, bro, look at Lucas. This is turning out so much better than we thought. You guys are probably gonna see the final product. It's getting kind of late. We've been at this for like what, 4 hours? 3, 4 hours? We waited for a while. All right, so we completely ran out of paint. And Advanced Auto Parts is closed, so we literally just went to Home Depot and grabbed just a white. So we're gonna have to color match. Is it looking good?
It matches pretty.
Yo, this is looking super clean, bro. I did not expect it to look like this. Bro, look through camera. This looks like it was sprayed through a gun. Yeah, no, even in person looks pretty good. There's a little bit of like, it's running down, but I mean, that's normal.
That was Danny.
Yeah, sure.
In body shop language, we call this highly special. I don't want, Danny's Cuban, so I don't want no Cuban people mad at me for saying that.
Dude, they're probably gonna agree with you.
If you're from Miami, you know what that means. You know what's going on.
Alright, we just finished spraying the clear, and look at that, bro. Oh my gosh, who did a great job. We're gonna leave it here for tonight just so it dries off everything good and I don't put it in the car just being still kind of wet. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Go ahead and give Lucas a follow and a huge like shout out, bro. Anything you want to say for the vlog or no? DIY? we tried our best. Hey, did come out pretty good though. Well, you shout out to Lucas. Thank you, bro. Alright, currently the next day, day 2, the moment of truth. Oh my gosh, bro. That actually looks so clean and the white is not off at all. With it good. It does, right? Let's see.
You came out of it.
Oh, there you go. Lucas, what do you think? What do you think, bro? We took off?
Yeah,
we took off, bro. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Honestly, I don't know why more people don't use rattle.
For real, use rattle cams. Dude, this is like what, 50, 60 bucks? And look how, like what? Alright, so I'm pretty much gonna end the video here. Ah, that looks so good. Big shout out to Lucas. Lucas, any last words?
Should I make a YouTube?
Should Lucas make a YouTube? Painting things, DIYs? Let us know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave that like, subscribe to the channel, do all that good stuff, share with your friends. Comment below, are you hyped for how it turned out? It looks pretty cool. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.